myself Manas Vishnu and you are watching Code with Manas YouTube channel. So let's start. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very creative art of Pikachu by using Python and the logo programming. So let's start. So this is the whole code for it, and this is about 542 lines. So let's run it. Here it has started to make our Pikachu. So just wait and watch. So यहाँ पर हमारा पिकाचू बन रहा है, आप इसको अच्छे से देख सकते हैं. एंड ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा आपको, आप बस देखते रहिए. Yes, it's working fine. Okay. Yes. Nice. Okay. Yes. Very nice. So guys, as you can see here, our Pikachu is made, and I will take a screenshot of this, and it is very beautiful. And अगर मुझसे हो पाए तो मैं आपको कोड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स प्रोवाइड कर दूँगा. So thanks for watching this video, and we will meet in our next video. So thank you.